This 2020 Thor Motor Coach Challenger 35MQ is a Class A RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Curvel's RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach is 37 feet 3 inches in length and features external shower, smoke detector, skylight, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, slide-out, TV antenna, TV, awning, stovetop burner, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A RV features full wall slide, outdoor entertainment. This 2020 Thor Motor Coach Challenger 35MQ is built on a Ford chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Curvel's RV.